Cup holders.
Nice.
Cup holders behind the basket. They're not going to get ripped off in doorways or any issues. What makes our cup holder unique is quick release. They're adjustable. They're robust, and you can get them with a built-in cell phone holder.
Oh, cool.
This is our Armadillo Snap It line.
Gotcha.
But what if you have one that you want to switch out? You want to just put a regular one, you don't need your cell phone holder. They're interchangeable.
Wow. Very cool.
You want to take it out, you want to clean it, you want to put it in the dishwasher, put it right back in, and you're going down the road. We have power chair mounts. Same stylish, dependable, adjustable, innovative cup holder, but our receiver goes on the power chair arm. It utilizes the same receiver that your joystick does. One more step we had to take with it.
Okay.
We went to rollators. Rollators, they don't give you a lot of real estate to put other accessories on it. What we added was our Snap It cup holder, but you're probably thinking that's never going to make it through a doorway.
Yeah.
With our magnetic patent pending swing away, it does make it through a doorway.
Wow.
So they walk up and then it gets easily snap it right back into place.
Very cool.
We've made it for the traditional rollators, the Euro style, and your standard folding walker.